I have been testing AI video tools for months, and most of them are fun to play with, but the results never feel real. Then I tried Luma AI's new Ray3D model, and it completely changed my mind. In this video, I will test Ray3 step by step, from draft mode to final 4K HDR render, and show you why it's a huge leap forward for visual creators like you. Let's get started. Ray3 is part of Luma's Dream Machine platform. Once you log in, you will notice it looks simple, but under the hood, it's instantly powerful. Luma AI Ray3 is a powerful AI tool that turns simple prompts into fully generated scenes. It understands deep lighting and camera movement automatically, so you can create realistic environments without any 3D experience. Ray3 makes scene creating fast, intuitive, and incredible cinematic. So let's try it and see how it works. So guys, interface is very user friendly. Can see boards here and ideas, editor and profile. Also we can see simple templates and we can write prompt here or upload image. So let's talk about features. We can click here and we can see settings here, videos and images, and also keyframe, reference and modify. Let's back to first, and we can switch models here. We have Ray3 model and Ray3 reasoning. This is for visual reasoning for complex tasks, and Ray3 for aesthetic quality and high motion. So also we can switch older versions and draft mode. So what's draft mode? It's a 5x faster and cheaper than the final render mode, which means I can explore creative directions quickly without wasting credits. You can literally experiment with camera angles, motion and mood in real time. And aspect ratio, we can choose aspect ratio for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and other social medias. Also draft, let's choose draft, and if I choose here 720p, we can change here SDR to HDR or HDR plus EXR. So EXR for editing softwares, we can change colors and other features. And also timed, we can choose here seconds, 5 or 10 seconds. And videos, we can choose one video variation or two videos. Okay, also we can 3 buttons here. Keyframe, if I click keyframe, and this model switch to Ray3. Let's click X. And reference, if I click reference, we can see image photon. And modify, if I click modify, we can switch to Ray2 model. So guys, let's create first video with prompts. And let me show this button. This is suggestions, and we can use shot suggestions, camera angle, style and lighting. And let's paste here prompt about a drone flies through a futuristic neon city at sunset, high speed movements, glowing science, flying cars, cinematic lighting, deep reflection, smooth camera travel. So let's go to settings and model. Let's choose here Ray3 reasoning. And quality, I will use draft for fast results, then I can change to quality version. And video 1 seconds, 5 seconds and HDR for now. After generate video, I will choose to HDR or HDR XR. Okay, all is right, and enter prompt for see results. Okay, here we go, it's done, and what's interesting is that even draft mode, Ray3's motion feels natural, not robotic or digital like many other tools. So let's see details. So we have 2 versions with Ray3 model and with Ray3 reasoning. Okay, let's see details. We can see dry is flying. We have 2 drones here and futuristic buildings, color, lighting and high-speed movements, glowing signs, and also robotic cars for flying, and cinematic lighting, deep reflection and camera movements. That's very good. So we have button here hi-fi. Let's click here and we can convert to full HD or 4K upscale. Let's choose 4K and HDR and click create button and wait for results. Okay, here we go, it's done, and you can see the lighting reflections and physics simulations all perfectly consistent. And this looks like something shot with a real camera movements. I love it. So it's a 4K video and we can get this video on our computer, and also we have some buttons: modify, extend video, more like this, reframe, upscale and audio. Let's open modifier and we can write here prompt for some changes. Let's back to 4K video and extend video. Let's click here and we can write here prompt for first and end screen. Let's back to here and reframe. Let's open. We can change video frames. For example, we can change for vertical video, or we can write what to add. Okay, that's good. And also upscale, we can use this for HD and Full HD videos. And for now it's not works for me because my video is 4K. And audio, let's click audio. We can click for create and let's wait for results. It's very interesting for me. Okay, sound effect is not bad. Also this feature is beta and I think it will be very good after full versions. So in this time let's use keyframe feature. Let's click here. Let's first upload start frame. Choose this red car, open, and end frame. Choose forest and open. If I click enter, Luma AI will understand what I want. And I don't write here prompt. And let's go to settings. I will use full HD size and HDR and click enter. Let's wait for results. Okay guys, here we go. It's done and we can see realistic, awesome cinematic video with start and end frames. Let's see details. I can see here reflections and wheel rotations and also reflection of glass and motion blur for background trees and road. Let's see. Okay, and camera animation is very cinematic and realistic, and textures very good. I love it. So guys, also I have created two another versions here. First version this, zoom out camera, and another version this. So both versions is very good. Now here is something unique, visual annotation. You can literally draw over your image to guide the AI. For example, I can draw an arrow showing how I want the camera to move or where the subject should walk. And Ray3 follow it perfectly. And this makes it feel like direction and real scene instead of typing random text. So first one, let's upload image. Choose this cartoon and open. Then as you can see here, this button is not available. We can see Ray3 only. Go to settings and click here. This feature is not working for rezoning. Let's choose Ray3. And draft mode, I will use draft mode again for fast results. And back to here and we can see this button is enabled. Let's click here. And as you can see, we have 5 tools here. Let's choose this arrow. And let's create one arrow like this. For this shark, move to right. Then again click this arrow and move to left. For this shark, move to left. Okay, again choose this arrow and move to left for this turtle. Again this arrow, move to right this fish. And let's choose this brush tool. For this fish, let's create like this line and arrow. And for this fish again, let's create like this random arrow. Okay, so let's click down and right here animated underwater fish, sharks and turtle. Click this for enter. So let's wait for results. Okay, here we go. It's done and results perfect. We have 3D animation with only draw arrows. That's awesome. We can see eye blink animations here and character mouth animations. So this is draft, and for HDR I will click hi-fi. So here we go, it's a HDR video and look at the colors. It's very perfect. I love it. So guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, check out the link in the description below and try Ray3 yourself. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day. Good luck.